Hi students, how are you? Hope all are fine at your home. In the last class, we have started our third chapter, fractions and numerals in fractions. Now, in today's class, we will discuss in detail about this chapter. So today we are going to discuss how to open the fraction matcher software. The last class also we have discussed that, and some of the buttons used in fraction matcher software. Okay, so that is a very important topic in this chapter. Okay, so let us start our today's class.
So first topic is how to open a fraction matcher. So in the last class I have shown you, I have written here the steps. What is the first step? Yes, we have to go to application at the top left corner, click on that. What is the second step? Go to school resources. What is the third step? Yes, select FET. Okay, and final step you have to click on fraction matcher. So it will be open. You can take the first option, don't want to take the second option, that is not in your syllabus. You have to take the first option, fractions. Click on that. So you can see here so many levels. We will come back to this after some time. What is the next topic? Yes, here I have written here some of the buttons used in fraction matcher. This is the very important topic in this chapter, which will be asked for the exam. Okay, so we are using some of the buttons in this software and what are the uses of that button. Okay, so this is a very important topic in this chapter. Okay, so what is the first button? Yes, back button. Okay, so what is its use? It is used to move back. Okay, so in your textbook page number 19, okay, in your textbook page number 19, this is your textbook page number 19. Here you can see a button here. This button is known as back button. Okay, what is its use? It is used to move back. Suppose if you want to stop your game and you want to move to the previous page, so what you have to do? You have to click on this back button. Okay, that is the use of this button. What is the next button? Yes, reset button. What is its use? It is used to reset the game. Okay, so again in your textbook page number 19, you can see the button here. This one is reset button, this one. Okay, and all of you see here, this one is your reset button. Okay, so this button is used to reset the game. Okay, suppose you have played for 5 or 6 times and you have done so many wrong answers and you want to play it again. Okay, you want to reset the game again, so you can click on this button. So it will again reset the game, again start from the first position. It will restart the game. Okay, my dear students, you got it? Okay, so reset button is used to reset the game, to restart the game again. Okay, my dear students, hope all are clear about it. What is the next button? Yes, check button. What is its use? It is used to verify the answer. Okay, so again in your textbook page number 19, you can see a button here at the right side. This one is the check button. What is its use? It is used to verify the answer. So I will show all these buttons once again, don't worry. First I am explaining what are the uses of this button. Okay, I'll explain this button using the software once more, then it will be very clear for you. Okay, what is the next button? Try again button. What is its use? It is used if a mistake is made for the first time. Okay, so suppose in your textbook page number 19 you can see here figure 3.4 you can see a button here, try again button. Okay, so how this button is appearing? Suppose you have placed two fractions here and you click on check button, and unfortunately it is the wrong answer. So what it will show? This button will be shown, try again. You can try it one more time. That is the meaning of this try again button. So if you have done wrong answer for one time, it will show try again button. If you have done wrong answer for two times, okay, again you are doing the wrong answer for the second time, okay, then it will show this button figure 3.5 you can see here, show answer. Okay, so I repeat, if you are doing the wrong answer for the first time, then it will show try again button. You can try one more time. That is the meaning. If you are doing the wrong answer for the second time, okay, again you are doing the mistake, then it will show this button, show answer. Okay, so hope all are clear about these buttons. It is shown here, show answer button. What is its use? It is used to find the correct pair if you go wrong again for second time. Okay, my dear students, if you are doing mistake for first time, then it will show try again button. If you are doing mistake for second time, it will show answer button. So totally we are having these 5 buttons. Once again I will show it using our software, then it will be very clear for you. So let us open our software. So I have already opened here. We'll go to the first level 1. So in here you can see this button. What is this button? Yes, back button. What is this button? Yes, reset game button. And the other buttons I will show it now. So suppose I am going to place the first fraction here. What is this fraction? In the last class I have shown you what is this one. Only 3 portions are shaded out of 4 portions. So 3 by 4 is the fraction of this picture. So we need to place the matching fraction here. So 3 by 4, whether this is 3 by 4? No. This is 1 by 1? No. This is 1 by 4. So we need to find 3 by 4 from here. What about this one? Out of 4 portions, total there are 4 portions or 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, only 3 parts are shaded. That means 3 out of 4. That means 3 by 4. So these two are matching. Now we can check the answer whether it is right or wrong. So this is our third button, check button. So it will tell us whether the answer is right or wrong. So I am going to click now. Yes, the answer is right. Okay, if our answer is getting right, for the first attempt itself, it will give us 2 points. If you go wrong for one time, and in the second chance if you are getting the right answer, then it will give 1 point. These all things I have shown you in the last class itself. Okay, now we will check another one. Again, the second one. What is this fraction? Out of 3 parts, there are totally 3 parts. Out of these 3 parts, only one part is shaded. That means the fraction is 1 by 3. Okay, we need to find the matching fraction from here. Whether this one, no, this is 1 by 4. This one also 1 by 4. This one 1 by 2. This one, let us check this. Yes, out of 3 parts, only one part is shaded, so this is also 1 by 3. So let us check the answer using check button. Yes, that is also right. Click on OK button. Now I want to show you the try again button and the show answer button. Okay, so for that I am purposely going to do the wrong answer. What do you mean by purposely? മനഃപൂർവ്വം ഞാൻ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് വരുത്താൻ പോവാണ്. Then only I can show you the try again button and show answer button. So I'll pick one picture from here. Suppose I am picking this picture. What is this one? Out of 2 parts, only one part is shaded, so the fraction is 1 by 2. So I know that this is the answer, but I am going to do purposely the wrong answer to show you try again button and show answer button. So I am going to place this. Now I am going to check. Oh, this is a wrong answer. It is showing it is a wrong answer. So can you see here try again button? Yes, that means if you are doing the mistake for the first time, then it will show try again button. So here we have done a mistake for the first time. We have done mistake for one time, so it will show try again button. Okay, so you can click here for the second time. So again you will get a chance. You can replace it with any other fractions. Now here again I am going to purposely do a mistake to show you the other button, show answer button. Okay, so I know the answer is this one, 1 by 2. Okay, but I am going to do purposely a mistake. Okay, മനഃപൂർവ്വം ഞാനൊരു മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഷോ ആൻസർ എന്ന ബട്ടൺ കാണിച്ചു തരാനായിട്ട്. Okay, so I am going to select this one. I know this is not the answer, but I want to show you the other button, show answer button. Now I am going to check the answer for the second time. Click here. What it shows? Yes, show answer button. Why? Because we have done mistake for 2 times. Okay, so you can click here. It will show you the answer. The answer is 1 by 2. Is it clear, my dear students? So I repeat once more. If you are doing the mistake for the first time, it will show try again button. Again, if you are doing the mistake for the second time, it will show answer button. So please, my dear students, be familiar with all these buttons which I have shown now. So only this much for you in this chapter. The very important topic is that the buttons used in this software fraction matcher. Total 5 buttons. The first one is, yes, back button. Now I'll show you the back button. If I'm going to click on this back, then it will move to the previous page. You can again select the levels. Again I'm going to click level. Now I think I didn't show you this one. Suppose I want to restart the game. Okay, already I have played 1 2 3 attempts I have already made. I want to restart the game, then you can click on reset button. Now it is again restarting. Can you see here? Again restarting the game. Okay, my dear students, so total 5 buttons. Once again, the first button is moving back button, so it will move to the previous page. What is this one? If I have done 1 or 2 attempts, suppose I have done this, okay, check, okay. Now I'm thinking that I want to restart the game. Okay, again I want to restart the game, then I can click on this reset game. Click here, so it will again restart the game. Okay, now what is the third button? Yes, check button. So here it is 1 by 3, so I will choose 1 by 3 from here. So you can see here check button to check whether the answer is right or wrong. Yeah, it is right answer. Click OK. Now what is try again? Suppose I am doing this one. I check, so the answer is wrong for the first time, so it will show try again. Again I am doing the mistake, and check again, it will show answer. If I am doing the mistake for the second time, it will show answer. Okay, my dear students, so only this much in this chapter. That means how to open the fraction matcher and the buttons used in fraction matcher, and how to play the game I have already shown you. And for more practical classes, when the schools are reopened, we will do it. Okay, we will play more levels on this chapter. So for a recapitulation, I will show you how to play the game. Okay, so this I have told you in the last class. Here you can see a picture. What this picture depicts? Yes, there is a circle divided into 2 parts, total 2 parts. So out of these 2 parts, how many part is shaded? Only one part is shaded with yellow color. That means one part is shaded out of total 2 parts. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2. That means 1 means one part is shaded out of total 2 parts. So I have written here numerator means number of shaded parts, denominator means total number of parts. Okay, so for this picture, how many total parts? 3 parts. Out of these 3 parts, how many parts are shaded with the red color? 1 2. So the answer is 2 by 3. Okay, so hope all are clear about the chapter. This is a very small chapter, only this much we have to study: how to open the fraction matcher, the buttons used in fraction matcher, and how to play the fraction matcher game. Okay, my dear students, so with this we are going to stop today's class. In the next class we will start with a new chapter. Thank you very much, my dear students.